Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco in a black diamond trim with the Sasquatch package, powered by a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. And the Sasquatch package does give you some 35-inch big tires, sitting on some beadlock rims. You have rock sliders down below, bigger fender flares, and a slight suspension lift to accommodate the bigger tires. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you can swing open your tailgate with the full-size spare on the back, and in the cargo area you have a decent bit of room that can always be expanded. You've got tie-down points with lassos on them. You've got a 12-volt power outlet. You've got your door bags, because of course the doors are removable and you want to keep them safe. Underneath this cover you have your jack and other equipment with some room for other storage. And looking into the back, where you have comfortable seating for three with an interior of vinyl, and you have vinyl flooring as well with drainage holes. And the backs of the seats have holes for molly rigging and a little mesh pouch there too. You have your window controls and a USB and USB-C here in the middle. Looking into the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, off-road information, pretty important for this type of vehicle, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls kind of spread out across both sides. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general vehicle features such as driver assistance and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And above your screen, you have some of your 4x4 controls. So you have front and rear locking diffs, trail turn assist. So if you're on a particularly tight road and you need to turn around, that will assist you. Traction control, shut off, hazards. And up here, you have your mounting point for your accessory rail. So if you want to mount like a GoPro or something while you drive. And then up above, you do have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please for other equipment. Moving down, you have your media controls with your auto start stop shut off and your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. Down below you have a USB and USB-C, as well as having this grab handle here. You do also have one on either side of the dash for holding on tight when you're going over rougher terrain. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then you have your 4x4 selector and whatnot, so you have for high, low, and auto, as well as trail control, so that's kind of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, and your goat mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, mud ruts, sand, and rock crawl mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then you have 2 cup holders and all of your window and mirror controls, because of course the doors are removable, but the mirrors stay on the vehicle when the doors are removed, so you still want control of those. And of course you can take all 4 doors off, you can take the roof off, you can do plenty with this vehicle. And you have a lockable center compartment / armrest with a little removable tray and a 12-volt power outlet. Lockable, of course, because since you can take off the doors and roof, you want some added security for your stuff. But I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.